Okay, let us do the fourth problem. A sum of money invested at 8% per annum for a simple interest amounts to rupees 12,122 in 2 years. What will it amount to in 2 years, 8 months at 9% rate of interest? So here two parts are there in this. The first part is 8% per annum and 2 years. The second part is 9% per annum and 2 years 8 months. Time is different, and here first part we need to find out the principal amount. A sum of money invested. It is invested, so it is the principal amount. You don't know how much is the principal amount. Let us take that principal amount as X. And then time is 2 years. Then find out the value of the principal amount, and then we are going to do this 2 years 8 months time duration we are going to take and solve the problem. So let's begin. Let the principal amount be X. Then they have given the rate of interest. Rate of interest, which is represented by the letter R, is equal to 8%. 8%. Then the simple interest amounts to rupees. Amount is given as rupees 12,122. Time T is given as 2 years. Time T is given as 2 years. Now we have to find out. Let us use the formula of simple interest. SI. Simple interest. What is the formula? Yes, very good. PTR by 100. Let us substitute the values. Simple interest is, we don't know. That is what we are finding out. P is X. T is 2 years. R is 8%. 8 whole divided by 100. So let's cancel. 2 ones are 2. 2 fives are 10. 2 zeros are 0. Okay. Now this cancel with 2 table. 2 fours are 8. 2 twos are 4. 1 is the remainder 10. 2 table, when will you get 10? 2 fives are 10. So here you got that simple interest is equal to 4x by 25. What is left here? X and 4. 4 into x is 4x divided by 25. This is what you got for the simple interest. Let us substitute in the formula. Amount is equal to principal plus interest. Principal plus interest, or principal plus simple interest. So this is equal to, what is the principal amount? It is X plus, what is the interest you got? 4x by 25. 4x by 25. What is the amount? Amount is given as 12,122. 12,122. So here, if nothing is there, it means divided by 1. Take LCM this side. So the LCM for 1 and 25 is 25. It is 25. So now 1 into 25, x into 25 we need to multiply. So this is nothing but 25x 25x plus 4x. This is equal to 12,122. So let us see, and that only the variable is to one side. Division, when it is transposed to the other side, it becomes multiplication. So this is 12,122 into 25 is equal to 25 plus 4 is 29x. 29x. Now only the variable is to the one side. So this is 12,122 into 25 divided by 29. Divided by 29. So let us multiply these two. 12,122 into 25. This is nothing but 5 twos are 10. 5 twos are 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 twos are 10. 1 carry. 5 ones are 5 plus 1 is 6. So cancel the units place. 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 ones are 2. Now what we should do? Addition. Very good. Let us add. This is 0. This is 5. This is 6 plus 4 is 10. 2 plus 1 is 3. 6 plus 4 is 10. 2 plus 1 is 3. So this you need to divide by 29. Okay. Copy till here in your class workbook. After this we will continue. Okay. So it's given as 2 years 8 months. 2 years 8 months. So this is equal to 2 years 8 months. How many months are there in a year? 12. So it is 8 by 12. So you can see that both of them are divisible in two tables. 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12. Now 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So this is nothing but 2 2 by 3. 2 2 by 3 years. 2 2 by 3 years. This mixed fraction, if I want to convert it into an improper fraction, it is 3 into 2 plus 2 divided by 3. So this is 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2, 7, 8. 8 by 3. Okay. So the time is given as 8 by 3 years. 8 by 3 years. Time you got it as 8 by 3 years. Interest. SI is equal to PTR by 100. P is given as 10,450. We got this answer. T is 8 by 3 into R. R is given as 9%. So this is 9 whole divided by 100. Whole divided by 100. Okay. So this is equal to, we have to simplify this part. So this is 10450. The same value I am writing it again into 8 9s are 72. Okay, I have multiplied and I have written whole divided by 3 into 100. 3 into 100 is 300. Okay, 0 and 0 gets cancelled. So now this part we will cancel with 5 table. 5 2s are 10. This is 4. 4 will not come in 5 table. 45. Okay. So it is 209. Okay. 209 you got. Now 6 table. You see how many times you are going to cut it. 6. 6 table will you get? 6 ones are 6. 6 ones are 6. 1 is the remainder. 6 twos are 12. So you got it as 209 into 12. 209 into 12. Let us multiply and do. Into 12. 2 9s are 18. So this is 1. 2 zeros are 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 2 2s are 4. Then cancel the units place. This is 902. Add up these two. This is 8. 9 plus 1 is 10. 4 plus 1 is 5 and 2. So the answer is 22,508. Okay. The interest you got it as 2,508. So now let us find out the amount. Amount is equal to principal plus interest or simple interest, anything. Principal plus interest. What is the principal? Principal is 10,450. What is the simple interest? Simple interest is 2508. Both these you need to add to get the amount. So this is 8, 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. This is 2 and 1. So you got the amount as rupees. Amount is equal to rupees 12,958. Understood this? X. And then we have found out the principal amount for the rate of interest 8%. Then what did we do? We have taken the second part where we have taken the rate of interest as 9%. The principal amount whatever we got, that we have taken and we have solved. Finally, we reached to our solution where we found out the amount. The amount we got it as 12,958. Copy this in your classwork book, children. Let us do the fifth question. In 4 years, rupees 6,500 amounts to 8,840 at a certain rate of interest. You don't know the rate of interest. So the first part is you are going to take this part and find out the rate of interest. Then let us read. In what time will 16,000 amount to 1,816 at the same rate? This is not 16,000, 1,600. 1,600 amounts to 1,816 at the same rate. So first rate of interest we will find out. That rate of interest we are going to take here. But time you don't know. The second part we are going to find out the time. Understood this? Okay, let's begin the problem. Solution. Time. T is equal to how many years? 4 years they have given. Then 6,500 amounts to rupees 8,000. So what is this? That is the principal amount. Principal P is equal to 6,500. Then what is this rate of interest? Rate of interest you don't know, you are finding out. You know the amount. So here amount is equal to rupees 8,840. 8,840. So let us use the formula to find out the amount. Amount is equal to principal plus interest. Amount is equal to principal plus interest. Principal plus interest. This is the formula you know already. So let us substitute the values. Amount you know it is 8,840. This is equal to principal 6,500 plus interest. So now what we are going to do? We are finding out the interest. Keep interest to one side and take the other part to the other side. This plus will become minus when it comes this side. So it is 8,840 minus 6,500. Subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 0 is 4. 8 minus 5 is 3. 8 minus 6 is 2. So you got the interest as 2,340. 2,340. So now let us use the formula for finding out the simple interest. Simple interest is equal to PTR by 100. What is SI? That is simple interest. It is implies 2,340 is equal to P. P is the principal. 6,500. What is T? T is given as 4. 4 years. What is R? R is, you have to find out R. So this is divided by 100. So now in this, let us keep R to one side and take the remaining things to the other side and solve it. So R is equal to rate of interest, we are keeping it there. So to the other side you have 2,340. Division, when it is transposed to the other side, it becomes multiplication. So into 100, Whole divided by multiplication, when it goes to the other side, it becomes division. So it is 6500 into 4. So let's cancel. 2 zeros and 2 zeros gets cancelled. Now 5 table let us cancel. 5 ones are 5. So 15. 5 threes are 15. Now cancel this in 5 table. 5 fours are 20. 3 is the remainder. 34. 5 6 are 30. 4 is the remainder. 5 8s are 40. 5 8s are 40. So here you got it as 468 divided by 13 into 4. So let's cancel this. 468 into nothing. Into 1 is nothing. That is 468 only. 13 into 4. Let us cancel. 2 table. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. Okay. So now again you can cancel in 2 table. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. 14 is left. 2 7s are 14. 2 7s are 14. So here what is left? 117 divided by 13. So 13 ones are 13. 13 nines are 117. So you got the rate of interest as 9%. Rate of interest you got it as 9%. So the first part is completed. Now let us do the second part. The second part, principal amount, they have given in the question as principal P is equal to 1600. Okay. Then amount is given as 1816. Okay. Principal is given, amount is given. So now what we are going to do, we should find out the interest. Interest is equal to amount minus 1600. Just now we have done the first part. In that we got like this only. So we are using this directly. So this is 1 minus 1 is 0. So 216 is the interest you got. So now let us substitute in the simple interest formula PTR by 100. What is P? P is 1600 T. T is what you have to find out. T you don't know. What is R? R is same as the previous one they gave. So it is 9 whole divided by 100. SI, that is the simple interest, is given as 216. Simple interest is given as 216. So now let us keep T, time, to one side, and the remaining terms we will take it to the other side. T is equal to the other side 216 you have. Division, when it is transposed to the other side, it becomes multiplication. Multiplication, when it is transposed to the other side, it becomes division. So this is equal to 1600 into 9. So 2 zeros and 2 zeros gets cancelled. Now 16, 216 and 9 are left. Let us cancel this. So this is 8 times 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 0 we will keep because 1 you will not get in 2 table, 16. 2 8s are 16, 108 by 8 into 9 you got. So now let's cancel. This is 8 table, can you cut this? Or 9 table shall we take? 9 table, 9 ones are 9, 9 ones are 9, 1 is a remainder, 9 twos are 18. So here what is left is 12 by 8. We can further cancel this. 4 table, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. So what is the answer you got? 3 by 2 years. 3 by 2 years. Convert this 3 by 2 into mixed fraction. 2 ones are 2. So the remainder is 1. So you have 1 In the quotient, remainder is 1 divided by 2. So the time you need to make this amount grow to 1816 rupees is 1.5 years. 1.5 years. Understood this problem, children? Copy this in your class workbook. With this, we finish ratio and applications chapter. Tomorrow, in the next class, we are going to begin with the next chapter,